From this, we'll quickly do a recap of lesson 2, wherein we learned the alphabets, the weekdays, and few of the months as well. So let's begin. So alphabet in German is called as das Alphabet. Alphabet. A is called as A in German. The letter A. So A, B, you have to repeat after me, okay? Make sure you speak each and every letter along with me. A, B, C, D, A, F, G, H, E, J, K, L, M, N, O, A, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, A, O, U, 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 Z. The sound will be the S sound. Point to remember, A is A and E is A, I is E. J is yacht, V is foul. Let's move forward. We also did weekdays. Weekdays in German is called as Wochentage. Wochentage. Montag, Dienstag. Dienstag is Tuesday. Monday is called as Montag. Please repeat after me, Montag. Tuesday, Dienstag. Dienstag. Wednesday is called as Mittwoch. 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 Friday is called as Freitag. Sorry, Thursday. Thursday is called as Donnerstag. 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 Friday, Freitag. 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 Saturday is called as Samstag. Samstag. Sunday, Sonntag. Sonntag. Point to remember, IE sound is E sound and EI sound is I sound. Hence, this is Dienstag and this is Freitag. Weekdays are called as Wochentage. Apart from this, we also did months. July is called as Juli. June is called as Juni. The month September is called as September. And April is called as April. April. We'll do months in detail also in the coming lesson plans.